Ndewonu, aha m bụ Nwada Chioma. My name is Chioma. Welcome to Igbo Academy. Today we're going to talk about the figure of speech in Igbo language. Figure of speech is called atụmatụ okwu. And the figure of speech we're going to talk about today is hyperbole. And hyperbole is called Egbeokwu. Egbeokwu in Igbo language. Egbeokwu bụ atụmatụ okwu eji ama atụ ihe, mana ihe ahụ a na-ama atụ ya anaghị aharụ ka ihe eji ama atụ ya. Egbeokwu bụ atụmatụ okwu eji ama atụ ihe, mana ihe ahụ a na-ama atụ ya anaghị aharụ ka ihe eji ama atụ ya. So it is a figure of speech that we used to talk about something. A figure of speech that we used to talk about something or somebody, but it is not what we used to talk about the person is bigger than that thing itself. What we used to talk about the thing is actually bigger, or what we used to talk about the person is bigger than the person. Maybe if I give examples, you will know. Mana ebe ọbụla ekwuru ya, ihe ejiri kwuo ya na-akarị ihe jiri maka ya wee kwuo ya. So what you use is just like an exaggeration. You exaggerate, make something bigger than what it is. That is hyperbole, Egbeokwu. Enwekwaziri ike ịkpọ Egbeokwu otutu ọnụ. You can also call it bragging. You exaggerate. You say that something is bigger than what it is. Atụmatụ okwu Egbeokwu ụfọdụ bụ ndị a. Number one example. Ọ dịghị onye ga-amara akwụkwọ ka nwanne m nwanyị. Ọ dịghị onye ga-amara akwụkwọ ka nwanne m nwanyị. Nobody will be as intelligent as my sister. Ọ dịghị onye ga-amara akwụkwọ ka nwanne m nwanyị. So he's just telling us here, the speaker is just exaggerating. What he's telling us is that the sister is very intelligent. Mana nkọwa ya bụ Egbeokwu bụ na nwanne ya nwanyị na-ama akwụkwọ nke ọma. So the person is just telling us that the sister is very, very intelligent. So you see, he's exaggerating when he was saying that nobody will be as intelligent as my sister. What he's simply telling us is that the sister is very intelligent. Number two, afọ ya haka ite mmiri. Afọ ya haka ite mmiri. His or her stomach is as big as a pot of water. So all that people's stomach don't used to be big as a pot of water. But what the person is just telling us is that what the speaker is telling us is that that person's stomach is very big. Mana ihe okwu ahụ na-akọwa bụ na afọ onye ahụ buru nnukwu ibu. So afọ onye ahụ buru nnukwu ibu. That's what it means. The person's stomach is very big. When you say somebody's stomach is as big as a pot of water, it means that the person's stomach is very big. Number three, ndị ohi ji azịza zachabe nwoke ahụ. Ndị ohi ji azịza zachabe nwoke ahụ. Thieves used broom to sweep that man's house. Thieves used broom to sweep that man's house. Do thieves go around stealing with brooms? No. What does it mean? It means that, okay, let me say it in Igbo. Ihe ọ pụtara naanị ihe Egbeokwu ahụ chọrọ ka ịghọta bụ na ndị ohi kwara ngwongwo dị n'ụlọ nwoke ahụ nke ukwuu. It means that the thieves stole much of the person's property. Okay, the man's property. means that the thief stole plenty things from the man's house. Doesn't mean that they actually came with broom to sweep his house. Then number 4, isi nwata ahụ haka isi ụkwa. Isi nwata ahụ haka isi ụkwa. We all know that ukwa is breadfruit, and the breadfruit, the fruit is very big. So when we say isi nwata ahụ haka isi ụkwa, that child's head is like the head of an ukwa fruit. It's telling us that that child's head is very big. Ọ bụghị na isi nwata ahụ haka isi ụkwa n'ezie, n'ihi na isi mmadụ anaghị arụ ka isi ụkwa. Atụmatụ okwu Egbeokwu nke a na-akọwa na isi nwata ahụ buru ibu. It's telling us that the breadfruit is very big. It's like 3 people's head. So when you say that a child's head is very big as the breadfruit, it means that the child's head is actually big. That's what the person is exaggerating and saying that it's as big as the child's head. But what it actually means, the person is trying to tell you that the child's head is actually very big. Number 5, nwoke ahụ nwere ego na-esi isi. Nwoke ahụ nwere ego na-esi isi. That man has money that smells. That man has money that smells. It doesn't actually mean that the money the man has is to smell. What it means, okay, ihe okwu a na-akọwa, mana nkọwa ya bụ na nwoke ahụ enweela ego nke ukwuu. It means that the man has lots of money. Nwoke ahụ nwere ego na-esi isi. Ya pụtara na nwoke ahụ nwere ego nke ukwuu. The man has lots of money. So when you hear people say, nwoke ahụ nwekwara ego na-esi isi, or nwaanyị nwekwara ego na-esi isi, it means the person has lots of money. It doesn't actually mean the person has money that used to smell. No. Number 6, Adaora mara mma na-eso okwu. Ị mara mma na-eso okwu. So it means that Adaora is beautiful, or Adaora's beauty causes problem. Adaora's beauty causes quarrel or problem between people. No, that's not what it means. It means Adaora is very beautiful. Nkọwa Egbeokwu nke a bụ na Adaora mara ezigbo mma. Ọ bụghị na mma ya na-ebutere onye ọbụla hụrụ ya okwu na ụka. No. Doesn't mean that her beauty makes people to have problems. No. It means that she is very, very beautiful. Number 7, nwoke ahụ nchara mmanya niile ebutere bịa ebe ahụ. Nwoke ahụ ṅụchara mmanya niile eburu bịa ebe ahụ. That man drank all the drinks that they brought to that place. When someone says that someone drank all the drinks that was brought to a gathering, there's no how one person can finish the drinks that is meant for a whole gathering. No. It means that the man drank very well. Okay. Otu ọ sọrọ mmadụ siri ịmụba mmanya, ọ dịghị ihe ga-eme ka onye ahụ ṅụcha mmanya ebutere ha. No matter how someone drinks, there's no how he can consume all the drinks that was meant for a community. No. Or a group. No. N'ihi ya, naanị ihe Egbeokwu a chọrọ ịkọwa bụ na nwoke ahụ ṅụrụ mmanya nnukwu ebe ahụ. It means that the man drank very well. He drank very well there. When they say that man drank all the drinks that they brought to the gathering, it means that he drank very well at the gathering. So that will be all. That will be all about the Egbeokwu, which is hyperbole, which is a part of a figure of speech. Egbeokwu, hyperbole, which means to exaggerate. It's a figure of speech that we use to exaggerate. We see that something is bigger than what it actually is. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe.